been hit by a chess storm. Courtesy D. Gukesh, who's now become the youngest ever to win a World Chess Championship. And when that young prodigy achieved that historic feat, he was seen tearing up. But that emotion was felt by Indians around the world. So let's find out what his victory means for them and how do they see this. Gukesh has become the youngest person to win a World Chess Championship, and Indians are so proud. How do you see that victory?
I mean, in my opinion, it is a very big victory after Pragnananda, and the win was very statistical and very critical. Like, as we look at the last time of the end game of the match, it was approached in such a way that even the critical grandmaster, they are like still wondering about it, and yeah, it is a pretty big win for India.
Honestly, I wasn't into chess before, but I have a few friends that are, and seeing him, they've gotten really influenced. They've got me into chess now, so I started playing. I've been playing decent, I think, but there's still room for improvement. Not hoping to become like Gukesh, but it is definitely inspiring as an Indian.
Basically, the thing is that since he has won the championship, it will motivate the kids to learn chess. It will inculcate a feeling wherein they would like to learn more about the chess. They would like to compete, and they will feel proud. That being an Indian, they can achieve, or we can achieve. Lot of things in the world.
Very excited that D. Gukesh won against D. Clearan, and I'm also very happy that the championship is an Indian. Since I'm also Indian, it feels very good.
D. Gukesh has renowned our country very well, and I think so that victory is also very important for our economic growth. That he won 11 crore rupees. From that we are getting tax, so that it will definitely help our economic growth.
How do you think he's going to use that money?
I don't know about him, but if it's about me, then I will definitely do something for my family, or for my better future.
It was a very emotional moment for Gukesh as well. He was seen tearing up. So what was your immediate reaction to that visual?
I am a big fan of chess, and of course, that was a very moving moment for me, and yeah, that inspired many young chess players out there. So yeah, well done, Gukesh. If you're watching that, go on, man, keep it up.
D. Gukesh has created a history. At age of 18, he has become the 18th chess championship, youngest world chess championship. So his victory has been the inspiration for the youth, and he has created a new stage for the upcoming generations.
Did you watch the match?
Not completely, but I got to know about it, and I was very excited for this tournament.
हमारे इंडिया कंट्री के लिए वो मतलब काफ़ी प्राउड की मोमेंट है कि एक 18 इयर्स का जो भी पर्सन है वो एक बड़े लेवल के वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के तौर पे वो आज खड़े हैं, जहाँ पे मोस्टली बहुत बच्चे नहीं पहुँच पाते, ये इवन कि बहुत यंगेस्ट लोग भी नहीं पहुँच पाते वहाँ पे। तो ये हमारे लिए काफ़ी प्राउड की बात है कि वो इंडिया के ऐसे पर्सन जो कि इतने कम एज में इतने ज़्यादा बड़े पैमाने पे वो जीत पाए हैं।
Now Gukesh has been the world champion, so people will recognize chess as a sport.
The extraordinary genius that he is will certainly make a way for lot of others, as in talents will be grooming. A lot of talent which is already there.
So you just heard the people of Delhi talk about D. Gukesh's win and how they see this as a personal victory for them. They think that this is going to inspire a generation of players and of course encourage more people to take interest in the game of chess. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, Ishita Mitra. Stay tuned to India Today Global, where we simplify geopolitics for you.